queens and kings, welcome to my content palace. I will be showing you guys this quick, easy, natural protective style with perm rods. Stay tuned. Okay, so boom, I already blow dried my hair, already washed it, and I washed it with Design Essential shampoo and Pantene shampoo, and I put in the Main Choice leave-in conditioner. Now I will be showing you all what all I used in order to create this style, and I will make sure I list them all in the description box below. And now I am just going to section my hair to make it easier. I am parting it and combing it out. And now I'm going to use my mousse foam and place my perm rod at the beginning of my hair. You want to place it as close as possible and just wrap it around and click to stay. Once you're done, this is how the back should look, and I'm going in with my hydration spray from Main Choice to make sure that my hair is not dry underneath my perm rods. Now I did run out of my pink rods, so I just used some extra rods that I had left over. Ended up going to sleep with my perm rods in, and now it is the next day early in the morning, and all I'm going to do is just take them off. So easy and simple. Now you want to grab some type of hair oil so you can detangle your curls without it getting frizzy. Now I'm just going to tease my hair with a picker to make it more fuller, and you can do this as well based on your desired look. And this is the finished touch. If you like this simple, easy, cute, natural protective style, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.